Bye, take care. Kampai. Cheers. Chin, chin. Largest urli ever made. Wow. That's the scene, buddy.
Yeah.
So, you know a good place to eat mandi in Kochi or?
In Fort Cochin, right here.
Yeah. I think the weather god has been very kind to me. Jai Ho Shambhu. Come, buddy. Wow, that's a feast. So that's the advantage of the back door entry in the kitchen. Not bad. People still remember me, yeah? So welcome to Pathshala. The learning still goes on. Welcome to Kerala. It's showtime now. Pathshala is basically unlearning to learn. As a chef, I want to travel, I want to learn more, I want to discover and see a new side of myself. This is Pathshala. What an incredible feeling. An IHM Mumbai student suddenly goes to the St. Joseph's Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pallai, 45 minutes from Cochin Airport. Meeting the bishop, wow, what an experience, and learning so much. Sitting with the agricultural minister, inaugurating the festival and ceremonial whole ceremony of uprooting the cassava tree. Just wow. Thank you. I still consider myself a student and still travel to learn more. Kerala has always been very close to my heart. Thank you once again that I am honored to be a part of this, to spread the good message of wellness and good health. Thank you very much. What incredible luck. I break ice with the amazing GM of the Coconut Lagoon in the backwaters where I'm supposed to be headed next. Don't want to talk too much about this. I can go on for long. Lots coming up in the second episode. Some great innovation going on here with the cassava. It's outstanding, huh?
Mostly they have used flour, cassava flour for most of them.
Yeah.
So you look into the tart.
Yeah, I tried them this morning.
How was it?
Very good. I think it's been amazing being felicitated by the whole management of the college and a good brief encounter with the irrigation minister along with the archbishop as well. It's showtime. I have these 3 young chefs from college who are going to be assisting me, and we are getting ready for a lovely cooking demo. So I think we're going to do a mango and cassava ka chaat, and I'm going to do a roasty potato, but I'm actually using roasty cassava. This is one dish which is very close to my heart from Switzerland, and I think cassava makes a fantastic roasty potatoes. And here we're going to be using some lovely undercut, some tenderloin, which I'm sauteing with some mushrooms and curry leaves. So it's almost like Zurich comes to Kerala. Here I've got this beautiful beef tenderloin. It's when you eat something different which you haven't eaten before, but the flavorings are very similar and you actually start recognizing them, which gives you a kind of smile on your face. I think it's been an amazing day, coming here, getting felicitated by the college, beautiful faculty. I was blessed by His Excellency, the Bishop as well. So it's been a beautiful experience. Cassava, I love it. I've been eating it for such a long time. Great to be a part of this whole celebration where half the city came here, did a fantastic recipe with the roasty and the Zurich style, or I would say Cochin style tenderloin strips. So overall, I think it's been a great day. I think it's time to give back, and that's what all Pathshala is all about. Kidhar? From here? We are finally almost here, right in Kumarakom, on my way to the Coconut Lagoon, a place which I've wanted to come here for a long time. I think in life you have to take the step towards what you want. We all have our busy lives. We always keep on complaining. But then, what the f? I mean, you got to take a call and say that, you know what, stop with what you're doing and actually think outside the box and do what you have to do. Like I'm right here now. I made up my mind. I said, you know what, I have to continue learning. I have to carry on. And now look where I am. My destiny's got me here to the backwaters. I always wanted to come to the backwaters. And here I am now. I don't have too much time, but 2 good days. Going to be cooking, drinking, learning a lot about the cuisine, which I love, the food of Kerala, very close to my heart. And imagine in this location, spending time on the boat and cooking up some amazing seafood, or actually not cooking, but actually learning how to cook from the pros here. Hi chef, how are you?
Hi, chef.
How are you? Hello. Thank you so much. Now what do you say to that? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. One of the sweetest coconuts in a long time. Chef, so what's happening? So what about where are we eating today? What time are we going? We do a little interview. Maybe we can do a little walk around with him, so we can choose something because it's